Hey, this is Charlie from the Gaming Guys. I have Mac OS X Lion installed, and Minecraft modding is a little different with Mac OS X Lion. Not very much in the least, but just a tiny bit different. You have to do a couple extra steps, so that's kind of annoying. But I'm going to quickly do it. Now, normally August would do something like this, but he does not have Mac OS X Lion. So just to prove to you that I have Mac OS Lion, I'm going to go into Launchpad. I have it. Yeah, okay. So you're going to take this code, which I just pasted into TextEdit, and you're going to take this code and paste it into Terminal. Now what this does is that in Mac OS X Lion, normally your library folder is there. As you can see, it's here because I've already done this. But it's actually hidden in Mac OS X Lion when you default, by default. So you just paste this into Terminal, and you click Enter, and then it appears. So I'm just going to minimize this. So now you can go into your user, library, application support, and then Minecraft the way you would normally do it. And then you go into bin, and this is minecraft.jar. Now normally what you do is you compress it, and then you just open it, and then you delete those two things, and it's, when you open the compressed file, it becomes a folder. Not so easy with Mac OS X Lion. In it now, when you open a compressed file, it actually turns back into a .jar thing instead of a folder. So what you need to do is you got to open with the unarchiver. Now this is an application that's on the App Store. Oh, I didn't know you could access it from there. So it's on the App Store, and it's free, and it's a quick install, and it's really helpful. So what you do is you open it with the unarchiver. It creates a Minecraft folder. You rename that. Oh, you get rid of this Minecraft.jar. Put that in the old trash can. Rename this to Minecraft.jar. Add the extension, and then you can drag in your class files. You can do whatever you need there, and then Minecraft should launch. And it's a pretty simple process, and Minecraft works fine. And yeah, so that's just how you do it. It's very simple. Now some people say that you have to do something like this. Oh, you still have to delete the meta.inf folder inside here. I'm not sure if I went over that. If you're actually going to mod things, that's important. But some people have had problems with this where this doesn't, like, for some reason this doesn't work. It works for me. It's worked for everyone that I've talked to that has OS X Lion, every computer that I've used, everything. But if you have trouble, there's one solution that people have come up with, which is that you select everything in this folder, and then you compress 667 items, and then you'll have this archive.zip file, and you take that out, and you take out this folder, and then you rename this whole thing to Minecraft.jar. Minecraft.jar. You use jar, and there you go. It's back to there. Again, I haven't had any problems with that, so try this one version first because it's easier, and this version it's actually harder because you have to redo the entire process every time you want to add a new mod. But so that's it. That's it. Everything else is handled the same way, so this is the only thing that's different for Mac OS X Lion, unhiding the library folder, and then this kind of decompression and recompression. So I'm going to delete this because it's not useful, and I'm going to put this back in. I'm going to install a couple mods. But thanks for watching. Check out August's other videos on exactly how to install each mod. Because this is just like a quick Lion thing. I'm not sure if people even have that, if that many people really have Lion, but it is a helpful thing because it won't work. So thanks for watching, the Gaming Guys. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and there you go.